maraming salamat sa pag-invite. Just stay the way you are.
Wow. Pakiulit, tita. Sorry na.
Ngayon gusto kong itanong muna sa mga writers.
Tita, babatiin natin gusto mo.
O sige,
Sige.
ikaw ka magdapat.
Oo nga pala. We'd like to hear from our writers. Please, mabilis na bate po. Miss Saras and Miss Maan. Can we share the mic?
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Salamat sa pagpunta.
Okay. Si Miss Ceres.
Hello, good evening po. Thank you po sa pagpunta.
And the writer of the book, Miss Kim Villanueva. Yeah.
Hello po, good evening. Salamat sa pagpunta dito.
Okay. And of course, I'd like to hear from our cast. Marco Gumabaw, please. In a while, bebe. Kamusta?
Hello po sa inyo lahat. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. And thank you for overcoming.
Yeah. And of course, Sue.
Hello po, good evening. Katulad po nasabi nilang lahat. Salamat po sa pagdalo dito sa amin.
Yes, thank you. And of course, Ibes.
Good evening po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa amin.
Ulit eh. Bago na lang. Miss Yayo Aguila.
Evening po. Ayoko na ulit.
And of course, Liz and Ken. Please. Hi, Liza.
Hi everyone, thank you all for coming and we're sorry we're really late, but thank you for waiting for us and for being so patient. We love you all.
It's really the sweetest, no?
Ayun po,
Ken, please.
sorry po talaga for being late. Last shooting day po namin ngayon. So, pasensya na po talaga. But thank you so much for coming here and for sharing your time with us. Maraming salamat po talaga. Enjoy.
Thank you, Ken. And of course, our director directed. First movie niya to.
Good evening po, and again, sorry also for being late. So, pinapaganda na po namin yung movie kasi last day namin ngayon. And thank you for staying po.
Okay, thank you, directed. Tita Ethel. Ayan na.
Okay. J, gusto kong tanongin yung writer. Based on experience, itong kanyang sinulat na
Ano
libro.
inspiration mo dito?
And
Kim?
why? Why done for her to stay the way she is?
Kwento ka lang, how did you,
How were you inspired to
ilang taon ka na ba, Kim?
write
I'm
this?
22 po. Nag-start ko sinulat yung The Bet. 2010, I was 17. Mahilig kasi ako mag-wonder ng what if question. Sabi kong ganyan, what if nagkagusto ako sa isang lalaki, pero yung lalaki pa lang yun, paglalaroan lang niya ako. And then, nag-start doon mag-form yung isip ko ng ideas and hints na kung ano yung pwedeng mangyari dun sa tanong ko na yun. And yung song din ni Taylor Swift na Mine, naging inspiration ko siya sa pag-create ng scene.
So based on ano talaga?
O ngayon,
Totoo.
let's call on, for the first question, let's call on somebody who have stayed the way he has always been. Mario Bautista. Ng People's Journal at sa Kamay.
Tito Mario, stay the way you are, ah.
I wish.
I wish.
So, dun sa writer uli, how did you feel nang malaman mo na yung original title na The Bet ay pinalitan ng Just the Way You Are?
Syempre po, nung una nabigla ako kasi parang natanong ko, akin pa ba yun kung iba na yung title? And then na-realize ko na title lang yung nag-iba, ganun pa din yung story, and sila pa din yung character. So, masaya pa din. So, opportunity po na maging movie yung sinulat ko lang na libro.
Okay. So, bakit nyo pinalitan yung title direct?
Pinalitan namin yung title basically because we are targeting a larger audience. So, parang for us, the movie is not just about the game anymore. It's also a family drama. Meron ding story about friendship and love. So, for ginawa namin Just the Way You Are para mas malaki yung makukuha niyang audience.
So, sa kanilang dalawa, kay Ken at kay Liza, congratulations after your
Salamat po.
real teleserye, now comes the movie. So, ano ang magiging kaibahan nitong pelikula doon sa hit ninyong show na Forevermore?
Well, una po yung characters namin.
Anong kaibahan ng characters nyo ngayon?
Iba.
Ibang stay sa
Iba.
life.
More of, Mas, well, as Forevermore parehas like drama, like parang rom-com, pero ito kasi, yung characters namin, we have the same problems. Hindi namin alam, pero we have the same problems. So we have this guy, Drake, who's a playboy, hotshot from school, pero yung totoo, wall lang niya yun, self-defense or that's his way of releasing his anger. That's a problem with the father. Si Sophia naman, the same character, may galit sa dad niya, but siya naman, she keeps it inside. So, they're different people, but with the same problems. Pag nag-meet na sila, because of the bet niya, ayun na, that's where it all begins. Yeah.
Ikaw, Liza, what can you say?
Ayan, pinento niya yung akin. Yung character din, yung character ko din po, kasi si Agnes, she's a very big character. She likes to express her feelings and what she believes in. Well, while Sophia, yung character ko sa movie, she's more of the type of person to parang keep it all inside and parang she likes to handle the problem by herself. Well, also Agnes is the same naman, but Sophia really has nobody to share it with, and um, Sophia is also the type of person that parang she has this goal and she wants to get it, pero she doesn't want anyone to help her.
So which is the more challenging character for you? Agnes or Sophia?
Huh.
Yung more
They're-
expressive or yung more secretive?
They're both very challenging. They're both very different kasi Agnes, I really had a hard time at first portraying her kasi in real life, I'm not as big as Agnes. So it was difficult for me to express widely. But Sophia naman, it's also difficult to play her character kasi may layers siya. Like, she is quiet, but on the inside, it's more of her in what she's feeling on the inside, and it's hard to express it without really showing it.
Tsaka yung characters po namin, not wholly, pero dun sa ginawa namin, parang in a way, yung story and um, the situations was also used from our real lives, yung sa personal na buhay namin. So in a way, mas nakakatulong to kasi yung iba, napagdaanan talaga namin. So, ayun. Yun po.
So, sinadya mo ba yun, Direk?
Sinadya, parang siguro ano lang po, kasi before the start kasi of the movie, we had a workshop with them, with Derek Olive, and then binuo naman yung characters sila together, and sa pagbuo ng characters sila together, nakakuha kami ng inputs about their lives na parang feeling namin, pwede namin ilagay sa movie para mas maging authentic, tsaka para mas maging true sa mga sarili nila yung mga characters. Of course, sabay din develop yung movie with Forevermore. So that time, parang we just wanted na parang different, we wanted to present them as a very versatile love team that they can do drama, they can do rom-com. So we were like, we made it a point na iba ang may offer nila sa Just the Way You Are, na-offer nila sa Forevermore.
So, you made it a point na iba yung mapapanood dito.
Yes po.
Mas lighter itong Just the Way You Are.
Yes po, mas light siya, but at the same time, the stories about, nandun pa rin yung storya ng family, ng friendship na typical sa ating mga Filipinos.
I'd like to ask the rest of the cast kung ano-ano yung role nila. Paki-explain. Let's start with Yayo, who is the most junior member of the cast.
Thank you. Salamat. Masarap na kasama mga bagets kasi parang hindi pa ako tumatanda pag sila yung kasama niyo. Ako dito, I play Tita Veronica. Anak ko actually dito si Andre, played by Livis. Anak ko siya. Tapos sa akin nakatira si Sofia, si Liza, and si Drake, best friend ng anak ko, which is si Ken, yung si Drake. Palagi siyang sa bahay ko. So, dun, dahil lagi silang nandun, dun actually nag-start yung friendship nilang dalawa. So, dun, ayoko na masyadong mag-giveaway, pero since dun sila magiging magkakilala, dun mabubuo yung friendship, tapos dun na mabubuo lahat ng mga conflicts at saka yung mga kung ano-ano pang So, bale, ako yung pinakamatanda dito. So, syempre, ako na naman yung nanay ng lahat. Ganyan. And it's really, really a pleasure na nakasama ako dito. Bagamat ako lang ang nakakatanda dito. Diba?
So next.
Ives?
Ako po si Andre dito, best friend ko ni Drake na si Enrique. Ako po yung nag-start ng bet. Parang natalo ko po sa isang bet si Enrique sa isang salon. Tapos, parang binet ko na kailangan niya ligawan si Sofia in 30 days. Kailangan niya magpasagot. Pero si Sofia po kasi dito parang ano siya, iba siya eh. Parang sobrang weirdo niya, sobrang hindi siya kagandahan. Bato. Ayun po, and dahil best friend ko si Drake po, dahil parang ayaw nag-stay sa bahay kasi parang may problem sila ng dad niya. Sabi po siya nakatira. And then, ang best friend ng mami ko, si Tita Yaya, parang best friend is ang mami ni Sofia. Kaya sa amin din po siya nakatira.
Okay. Si Sue?
Hi, good evening po. Ako naman po dito si Juliana. Twin sister ako ni Drake. And best friend po ako ni Liza. Yan. So, parang ang mga, gusto po sabihin ni Ives na ka-love team ko daw siya.
Wow.
Kanina niya pa binubulo love team ko. Love team mo. Sige na, love team mo. Okay, sige Ives. Love team ko po si Ives. Ayun po, thank you.
Okay. Marco?
Hello po sa inyo lahat. Ang character name ko dito is si Sky. Ako po yung best friend ni Liza, pero from the States. We share the same passion, which is music. Parang pareho po kami kumakanta. But the problem is, Liza went to the Philippines para po mag-aral. And ako, naiwan ako sa States. So parang the whole time, kinukulit ko siya to go back to the States para matuloy po namin yung music career namin.
Okay. Thank you sa inyo lahat, and I hope that the movie will be as big as a hit as Forevermore.
Thank you, Mario. Mario, stay the way you are, Hindi tumigil,
And Jay, before I call on the next
Contestant.
celebrity writer
Wow.
who will ask his question, may tatanong lang muna ako kay Direk. Direk, considering kung anong na-create ng Forevermore, which according to one newspaper was not only trendsetter, but the one teleserye na nagkaroon ng ganong percentage na nakuha rating of all time. Paano mo ini-expect na ma-equal ito with your movie?
Almost 40%.
Almost 40% ang
Kaya sa isang newspaper nakalagay,
Yes
the
po.
highest rated.
Hindi naman blind item yung newspaper.
And would you believe sa newspaper ni Aisa Ren?
Wow, di man na standard. Okay, direct.
Ayun Manay, so part din po kasi ako ng Forevermore sa first month. And then, so we started together. So siguro ang sa amin na lang po, because I actually agree with you, it's a trendsetter, it's a very iconic show. So what we're doing na lang po is really doing our best para magampanan namin yung mga roles namin. We try to be, in terms of, ang hirap po kasi pag mandami pressure. So rather than be pressured, tulong-tulong po kami, collaborative yung work namin. For example, in one scene, we talk to each other, we collaborate, not because we want to surpass Forevermore, but because we want to create a very beautiful movie.
Thank you. Direk. Ngayon, ito si D. Junardo.
Yeah, si JN.
Patay si Alan Jones muna. Pareho kasi kami ng tanong. Napagod pa ako. Ano ba tatanong? May kissing scene ba kayong dalawa?
Wala po.
Wala.
Wala po.
Bakit naman bawal pa? Miss Liza. Ha?
Bawal pa po.
Wala pa ba 18?
17 pa lang.
Okay. Ganun ba? Sabi niyo 18 na just. Ano, kasi may mga scenes na nakahubad si Ken, komportable ka ba? Ilang beses ba yung hubad-hubad scene ni
Sobrang
Ken
dami
dyan?
niyang hubad dyan.
How do you feel? Komportable ka na bang nakikita? Pag nakikita nakahubad si Ken?
Noong una hindi po. Kahit ano yung direct, nahihirap po ako.
Ano ba yung unang scene sa banyo ba?
Yung sa banyo,
Oo.
yung sumigaw ako na gano'n.
Ba't may pasilip ka pa?
Curious na.
Kaya ka naging curious. Nag-curious ko. After na forever, kung na talagang develop na yung love team niya, nagkaroon ka pa rin ng consciousness. Na-conscious ka ba ba?
Oo naman po, pag nakakapagod na, nakakonscious ko.
Maganda naman ang katawan.
Minsan.
Ito minsan lang, grabe, nakawa na minsan. Minsan.
Minsan po, busog siya.
Tinampo ko naman si Ken.
Okay lang.
Ganun ba? Pero yung sa cars, nag-ano siya, naglilinis sa kotse na ay,
Hindi po talaga siya kumain ng mansion.
ilan sa kotse. Yes, Ken.
Nag-push-ups pa po siya bago.
So, kailangan gutom si Ken para talagang ma-appreciate mo totally yung kanyang naked body. Yes. How do you feel? Ikaw, Ken, komportable ka ba naman kay Liza doon sa nagpakita ng katawan kay Liza?
Okay lang. Pag di busog, oo.
Oo.
Pag busog, medyo. Di, okay lang po.
So how far can you go dito sa launching movie niyo? Anong mga sweet moments ninyo na hindi? May nabasa kasi ko 5 kilig scenes sa movie na to na hindi pa niya nagawa sa Forever Mo. Ano, can you give 1 or 2? Para naman
Abangan nyo na lang po yun.
Sige na, huwag mo naman nakaabangan.
Yun. Ayaw mo sa pag-giveaway na eh. Pero wala po sa face. Direct. Yung airport seat na lang po, abangan yung airport seat. Yun na lang. Yung airport.
So, Ken,
Lilipat kami.
may mga naglabas, after ng Forever More, mukhang tinamaan ka ng husto rito kay Liza. Kailan hindi pa yata talaga pwede after Forever More. What's your status now?
Status.
Hindi naman complicated,
Hindi naman. Okay naman. Okay naman po. Okay naman.
Ano nga yung okay?
Okay means good. Good is very good. Means special.
Special pa rin. Hindi pa pwede paligaw.
Hindi pa.
Oo.
Hindi pa po.
So, handa ka bang maghintay? 1 year na lang?
Kung may forever na, di syempre pwede, di ba?
Oo.
Ito naman, naniniwala ka ba sa forever?
Hindi.
Ay nako, kawawa ka ako, naniniwala ako.
Hindi ako naniniwala ron, no? So, handa ka mag-wait forever.
Malay mo ba yan?
Ganon.
Oo.
Ano pa? Tatanungin niyo. Hindi. Thank you and good luck. Ito naman si Alan Jones, mas pasabog tumanay. Oo.